200 views on TikTok. Yeah, you are stuck in 200 views on TikTok. All the videos you are uploading are stuck with 200 views, right? That's why you clicked this video. It may be the music you are using, or you are using the wrong hashtags. Maybe your videos just suck. What is the reason for this situation? Why do other people get millions of views while you are stuck with 200 views? These are the questions that pops up in your mind right now. In the next few minutes, I will tell you why this is happening and what you should exactly do to get rid of this issue once and for all. So, why this is happening? The simple reason is your videos are not up to standard. Let me tell you how the TikTok algorithm works. As soon as you upload a video to TikTok, TikTok pushes that video to the For You page. It's where you will see the videos from other creators who you are not following. First, the TikTok algorithm selects an initial test audience group of around 200 to 300. They do it by referring to your keywords and titles. Now, the TikTok algorithm expects several things from this audience, such as average watch time, how many of them are liking and commenting on this video, and how many people will save or share this video. Basically, it checks how these 200 audiences are going to engage with your video. If they see low engagement and poor performance, TikTok is not going to pass your video to the next group of people. That's why you are stuck with 200 views. This situation is called 200 views jail. So, how you can break out of this jail? This is what I want you to do if you want to solve this issue. You just need to follow these 4 important things. Number 1, relevant content. Okay, what does that mean? It simply means you must be updated with new trends and new niches. The niche that you are going to select should be relevant to this time. A video idea that you think is really good may not be good for your audience, so what you should do is do your research to find a new and relevant niche and create videos based on trending topics. Make sure to use trending music as well. In TikTok, background music plays a huge part in keeping a viewer on your video for a longer period of time. Number 2, quality of the video. When it comes to the quality of the video, there are several things we should consider. Let's say you are filming yourself for a video. The quality of the camera that you are using plays a huge role in this case. Let me give you an example. From these 2 examples, which video do you think has more views and engagement? It's the second video. Even though they are talking about the same subject, high quality video has more advantages. Now, let's say you are making faceless content. Then your video edits have to be perfect. If your video has boring effects and edits, your views will scroll down as soon as they view your video. Hyper edits are also not good for your videos. Just use simple and attractive edits on your video. Another important factor is adding readable subtitles. A lot of viewers watch these TikTok videos without sounds, especially if they are outside. If your video has subtitles, they can still understand what you are saying in the video without sound. Make sure to use bold and simple text styles and effects. Fancy fonts don't work. Finally, you should provide some value to your audience. If your video is not valuable to your audience, the TikTok algorithm will not push it to new audiences. Number 3, simple and understandable. It doesn't matter if you have a quality video, but if it's not understandable, people won't watch it. Remember, you need to make the video simple so that it can be understandable by a toddler. This is where a lot of people screwed up. They gather all the important information about the video, but their style of presentation is not simple or understandable. So, as soon as viewers feel like this video sounds complicated, they scroll down to a new video. That's why you will never break the 20 views jail. Be a good teacher and make your videos understandable and simple. Number 4, the hook. You know, the first 2 to 5 seconds is the most important part of a TikTok video. It's where the viewer decides to watch this video till the end or scroll down. That's why you need to have a good hook to grab the viewer's attention. If you fail to do that, it will be a waste of your valuable time. So, what is a good hook? When it comes to a good hook, it should make curiosity in viewers' minds. It will make that urge to watch the next part of this video. Here are some examples. I will never recover from learning this information. Just think, if you hear this sentence in a video, would you scroll down or would you watch that video for a little bit? Exactly. You will watch that video. Here is another famous example. This is gonna blow your mind. I will make an in-depth video about how to make viral hooks for TikTok videos after this one. So, if you are stuck with 200 views jail, just improve these things and see the results.